Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the rear light for this Mercedes E-Class 2013. Okay, we're gonna open the boot. We will gonna need a trim removing tool to remove this one. Okay, one. We check if we need to do more things. Then we have this thing here with the one small screwdriver. We can remove this one, or you can use this tool. Okay, we remove this one as well. And then we remove this cover like that. We check, we have to check. Okay, as you can see, we have another one here. We remove this one as well, just like that. I broke it. Now I remove it. Okay, now we will gonna remove this one a bit, and inside here we have the screws. We have 1, 2, 3 with a 8mm socket. With the 8mm socket with the extension, and I'm using a ready drill. You can use the ratchet. We're gonna remove the nut just like that. Now this one's on sides. Whoop. Now the other one. That's it. And now we need a small screwdriver in minus. We're gonna remove it slowly. Actually, we have to remove this plug from inside. So as you can see there, we have that plug. We have to push that plug like that, and then we have to push outside. Okay, and then we can remove the light very easy. This is the way how you can remove the rear light. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is gonna be helpful for you or for your friends. If you like this video, give me one like. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. You can share it if you want. If you want to make a video for you how you can remove a part from your own car, comment below and I'm gonna do a video for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.